Run flat tires, brilliant safety feature or expensive mistake? The truth every driver should know before buying their next set of tires. Imagine you're driving home late at night. It's raining, traffic is flying past at 70 miles per hour. Suddenly, your tire loses pressure. Normally, you'd have to pull over onto a narrow shoulder, step out next to speeding traffic, and change a flat tire in dangerous conditions. But what if you didn't have to stop? What if your tire allowed you to keep driving safely until you reached a repair shop? It sounds almost too good to be true, and that's exactly why run flat tires have become one of the most debated automotive technologies in America. Some drivers swear they'll never own another car without them. Others replace them with conventional tires the first chance they get. So who's right? Today, we're uncovering how run flat tires really work. Why many luxury automakers install them from the factory, what owners are saying after years of real-world use, and whether they're actually worth the extra money. For decades, a flat tire meant one thing: stop immediately. Whether you were on a busy interstate, a dark country road, or caught in heavy rain, your only options were changing the tire yourself or waiting for roadside assistance. Run flat tires were designed to solve that problem. Unlike conventional tires, run flat tires use reinforced sidewalls, or, in some designs, an internal support ring that can temporarily support the vehicle, even after a complete loss of air pressure. Instead of stopping where the puncture happens, most run flat systems allow drivers to continue traveling for approximately 50 miles at speeds up to 50 miles per hour, depending on the tire manufacturer, vehicle, and driving conditions. That extra distance can make the difference between stopping on a dangerous highway shoulder and reaching a safe repair facility. It's one of the main reasons brands such as BMW, Mini, Rolls-Royce, and several performance models from Chevrolet and Lexus have equipped vehicles with run-flat tires from the factory. For many automakers, eliminating the spare tire also saves weight, increases cargo space, and improves packaging efficiency. So how do run-flat tires actually work? The secret is in their construction. Traditional tires rely almost entirely on air pressure to support the vehicle. Once that pressure disappears, the sidewalls collapse, making continued driving unsafe. Run-flat tires are different. Their reinforced sidewalls are engineered to remain rigid enough to support the vehicle's weight for a limited distance after a puncture. That means drivers can maintain better control while calmly heading toward a repair shop instead of making an emergency stop. However, there's an important catch. Run-flat tires are not drive forever tires. They are emergency mobility tires. Ignoring their distance or speed limits can permanently damage the tire and even affect vehicle safety. One of the biggest advantages becomes obvious during bad weather. Imagine experiencing a puncture during a snowstorm, or while crossing a busy bridge, or late at night in an unfamiliar neighborhood. Being able to keep moving instead of stopping immediately can significantly reduce personal risk. For many drivers, that peace of mind alone justifies the additional cost. But not everyone loves them. Across owner communities for BMW, Mini, Corvette, and Lexus, discussions reveal two very different experiences. Many drivers appreciate the confidence that run-flat tires provide. They describe situations where they safely reached home or a repair shop after picking up a nail without ever standing beside fast-moving traffic. Others, however, say the first thing they did after wearing out the factory tires was switch back to conventional tires. Ride quality. Conventional tires generally absorb bumps better because their sidewalls are more flexible. Drivers often report quieter cabins, smoother rides, and improved steering feel after making the switch. For commuters traveling rough city streets every day, that comfort difference can be surprisingly noticeable. Cost is another major factor. Run-flat tires usually cost more than comparable conventional tires. Replacement availability can also vary depending on tire size and location. In some areas, finding the exact replacement may require ordering the tire rather than purchasing it immediately. That can become inconvenient during long road trips. Repairability creates even more confusion. Many people assume every punctured run-flat tire must be replaced. That's not entirely true. If the tire hasn't been driven beyond its emergency operating limits and the damage meets industry repair guidelines, some manufacturers and repair facilities may allow repairs. However, once significant internal damage occurs from extended driving without air pressure, replacement is often the safest option. Because internal damage isn't always visible from the outside, professional inspection becomes essential. Another detail many first-time owners overlook is tire pressure monitoring. Most run-flat equipped vehicles also rely heavily on tire pressure monitoring systems, or TPMS. Without an active warning system, drivers might not immediately realize they've lost air because the reinforced sidewalls can mask the feeling of a flat tire. That's why TPMS isn't just convenient, it's an essential part of safely using run-flat technology. From the expert perspective of Hoang channel, one of the biggest misconceptions is believing run-flat tires are automatically better than conventional tires. They're simply designed for a different priority. If your top concern is personal safety during unexpected punctures, especially if you regularly drive on highways, travel long distances, or drive alone at night, run-flat tires offer a genuine advantage. Being able to continue driving instead of stopping in a dangerous location is something difficult to measure until you actually need it. On the other hand, if your priorities are ride comfort, lower replacement costs, broader tire selection, and maximum driving refinement, conventional tires often provide a better ownership experience. The smartest decision depends on how and where you drive. Instead of asking, which tire is better, ask, which tire better matches my lifestyle? That question usually leads to the right answer. Advantages of run-flat tires: enhanced safety. The ability to continue driving after a puncture reduces the need to stop in potentially dangerous locations. Better vehicle control. Reinforced sidewalls help maintain stability during sudden air loss. No immediate tire change. Drivers can often reach a repair facility without changing a tire on the roadside. Increased cargo space. Many vehicles eliminate the spare tire, creating additional storage room and reducing vehicle weight. Peace of mind. For commuters, families, and frequent highway travelers, knowing a flat tire won't immediately leave them stranded provides valuable confidence. Potential drawbacks. Higher replacement cost. Run-flat tires typically cost noticeably more than equivalent conventional tires. Firmer ride quality. The reinforced sidewalls often transmit more road imperfections into the cabin. Limited availability. Certain sizes may not be immediately available at every tire retailer. Possible replacement instead of repair. Some punctures require complete tire replacement depending on the extent of internal damage. Emergency use only. Run-flat tires still have strict speed and distance limitations after losing air pressure. Ignoring those limits can create additional damage and safety risks. There's another ownership consideration that's becoming increasingly important. Many new electric vehicles are heavier than comparable gasoline-powered models because of their battery packs. That additional weight places greater demands on tires. Some manufacturers continue choosing run-flat technology or specially reinforced tires to support these heavier vehicles while maintaining safety and efficiency. As EV adoption grows, understanding tire technology will become even more important for future buyers. Before purchasing your next set of tires, don't simply choose the lowest price or automatically stick with whatever came from the factory. Think about your daily routine. Do you regularly drive long highway distances? Do you commute late at night? Do you frequently travel through isolated areas? Or do you mainly drive short distances around town where roadside assistance is readily available? Discuss your driving habits with a trusted tire professional. Understand the trade-offs. Compare comfort, cost, availability, and safety. The best tire isn't the one with the highest price tag. It's the one that best fits the way you actually drive. Final thoughts from Hoang channel. Run-flat tires aren't a gimmick, and they aren't a miracle. They're a specialized safety technology designed to solve one very specific problem, helping you reach safety after losing tire pressure. For some drivers, that benefit is absolutely worth the extra cost. For others, the smoother ride and lower ownership costs of conventional tires make more sense. Neither choice is universally right. The smartest drivers understand the strengths and limitations of both. Because when it comes to your tires, the only part of your vehicle that actually touches the road, making an informed decision is always more valuable than following trends. At the end of the day, confidence behind the wheel doesn't come from having the most expensive tires. It comes from knowing you've chosen the right ones for your journey.